My girls is so cute. They're making sewing machines, guys. Look at this. Nice, guys. Beautiful work. Look at this. Beautiful tray like that. And this is a tractor here. Beautiful work. Magical. Motorbike. There we go. There's a robot coming up. There's it playing there. He's taking his time. He's not in a rush. Over here, Gifty made this guitar. I think about 2 years ago, ne? So now he asked me to make a stand for this guitar. Come, let's make it together. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have 2 pieces of this, and we're gonna clip it inside there. For 40 millimeters, okay? 40 mil screws. Okay. Yes.
Wow, give.
There's your guitar stand, guys. Great work, great work, great work.